The Kancamagus Highway is a 34.5-mile scenic route that connects the towns of Lincoln and Conway, New Hampshire. It was first opened in August 1959 after two dead-end stretches of road were linked, creating a connection between US 3 in Lincoln and NH 16 in Conway. The road was paved in 1964, and in the winter of 1966 it was plowed for the first time. Beginning just east of the town center of Lincoln, the highway travels through the White Mountain National Forest, following the Kancamagus River, steadily ascending as it progresses eastward. Following a series of hairpin turns, the highway reaches an altitude of 2,855 feet at the Kancamagus Pass and begins to descend along the Swift River in the Saco River watershed. Eventually, the highway leaves the National Forest and enters the town of Conway, where it ends at Main Street, just west of downtown. The Kancamagus Highway is a very popular tourist destination due to its many scenic views and locations. Two scenic outlook sites are located along the Kancamagus Highway, including one near the crest of the Kancamagus Pass. There are also 6 National Forest campground sites, along with numerous hiking trails. The pronunciation of the highway's name has been a point of contention among visitors and locals. While many call it the Kancamagus or Kancamagus, the true pronunciation is Kancamagus. Locally known as the Kank, the highway is named after Kancamagus, or the Fearless One, the third and final Sagamore, or chief, of the Pennacook Confederacy of Native American tribes. He was the nephew of Wanalancet and grandson of Passaconaway, ruling what is now known as southern New Hampshire. His story is a tragic but interesting one. In 1691, Major Richard Waldron of Dover invited the Pennacook tribe to a feast, where he betrayed their trust and seized numerous guests and sent them to Boston in chains. After this surprise attack, Kancamagus was forced to make the decision to move to northern New Hampshire toward Quebec, Canada, to seek protection from the French. However, 4 years later, Kancamagus, the Fearless One, led a raiding party and returned to his homeland, where he executed Waldron on the table that they first met, cementing his legacy in the history books. While the highway is open and maintained year-round, the best time to visit is foliage season, which is in late September and early October. Whether you're a local or a visitor, I highly recommend you take this route if you're in the area. Thanks for watching my video. Like it if you liked it, and if you'd like to see more scenic routes and learn their history, please subscribe to this channel. Thanks.